Hi, this is Anna Christina sharing tools of hope with the Resilience Builders. So here's what I was thinking about when I was working out. It's about 5:30 in the morning and I'm in my basement. And I was thinking about this Japanese art. It's called kintsugi. I'm probably not pronouncing it right. And it's this beautiful method for repairing a broken bowl, so a broken piece of pottery. And what they do is they mix a precious metal. So my understanding is they mix gold or platinum, or there's a few other metals that they mix. And they literally glue the bowl back together, but with metal. So it's quite literally stronger after it's been broken because of the metal that's gluing it together. And I wanted to remind you, I wanted to remind us today that if you have just gone through something that threatened to break you, you can be stronger in the broken places. Literally, that bowl is stronger where it's been broken after it's been fixed in this manner. If you are going through something right now, which a lot of us are, right? If you are going through something right now, know that it means that you can get stronger through this. The question to ask is always, what is there to learn from this? What could I possibly learn from this, even though it seems like an impossible situation? And the third thing is, we all, as long as we're breathing, we're going to be going through some difficult situations, and we will have situations that feel like they're going to break us right in the future. And again, to rest on that idea of, if I'm going through something that feels like it's breaking me, it means that I have the opportunity to get stronger, to stand up again, to get repaired in a beautiful, gorgeous way. And just because we have faults and failings, it's not something to hide. It's actually a point of pride to say, I have been broken. I have been close to being broken, and here I am. Here I stand. This is a stance that we can all take. This is Anna Christina sharing tools of hope with the Resilience Builders. See you in the next video.